Looks like we got wild last night. We got a few videos we're going to show you, thanks to my boy Dylan. Because we were in bed. Let's look at that, and then let's head to Pensacola, Florida. Here we are, Pensacola. Lots of stuff rolling in. We're early. Getting separated from the group on a different direction opinion. Not sure where they're at, but we're right here. So, gonna be another hot one. I'm gonna check some stuff out and head to the beach pretty quick. chested up. There we go. You can usually always spot something crazy across the lot. Shortened S10. I mean, shoot, Dakota. Corvette wheels. These are our friends we met in, I don't remember what town. Their Cadillac was stole, 87 Caddy. First day in Memphis. So they're on Plan B rental. Appreciate y'all watching though. Sucks for your luck. Hopefully insurance pays off for you, and I hope the Cadillac breaks down on them. The Hot Wheels business has been slow. I just finally found some kids to give some to.
Make sure you take the time to beat the heat and stop by all of our.
Where we at? Florida? Pensacola.
Out here in the,
Day 4?
In a little bit of humidity.
All right. You hot?
I like your dedication, my friend.
Yeah. You hot?
Sweat rolling down my
Lose some weight, but good for my wife.
One more
When I get
punch
home
after
on
this one.
Saturday, catching up on your.
Good job. Good job. Shout out to R2B Turbo Diesel for giving JD a Cummins hat because he lost his. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, be much better, huh?
You're bringing Cotton in the house again. 57 sleep.
I didn't know why people like from you. They drive great. Yeah, and once I did that.
These guys are road killing it up. Wonder if they took your hood off and looked at a gas station somewhere. tip if you're here at the beach with JD.
Yeah, don't go to the beach at the water in the deep of the water when it's at dark, because that's when sharks come to feed.
There you have it. Don't go to the water at dawn. So check this out. We're in the middle of hell, Alabama. I mean, Florida. Shit, it's 75 degrees. I'm delusional in the room, but it's a million degrees out here. But check this out. We're right here on the Gulf. There's the big bridge. We're on the beach down here. Oh shit, somebody's got TA. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. What the? Oh, just got his grill. I thought he had something in the water. I gotta admit, this is pretty cool. Even though it's hot. Under him sucks.